Hey, people of impact, how's it going? I recently gave a keynote speech to graduating students at the University of South Florida. That's right, go Bulls. And I talked about the power and art of networking, how networking can open more doors for you and create opportunities. I gave 5 tips. Today's video is going to be on tip number 1, network long before you want something. But before I continue this video, if you haven't done so, go ahead, subscribe to Purpose Creates Impact, the best channel to help you feel more confident, motivated, and purpose-oriented so you can create the impact you have always dreamed of. Here you go. Tip number 1. Network long before you want something. A lot of times you might get laid off, you're jobless, you want sales. If you have a company, you might want investors. As soon as you start networking and you see that it's not working within the first month, you all of a sudden think to yourself, networking doesn't work. Well, obviously networking doesn't work because now you go in desperate mode. You have selfish reasons. I want to find a job. I want to get sales. I want to get investments. And all you do is pitch. You go in desperation mode. It's a long-term game. I've been networking about 15 months and I'm now reaping the benefits. We're consistently getting sales and lead collar because of the 12-15 months of networking we've been doing. I didn't get my first sale until 2-3 months after networking. It's kind of like dating, in a way. You become single, and you want to find someone right away. You want to go to the next person. And what do? You come off as really desperate. You either don't find anyone, or the people you find are not quality. All of a sudden you say, you know what? I'm going to focus on myself. I'm not going to focus on trying to find another boyfriend or girlfriend. I'm going to start working on my goals. I'm going to start working out. I'm going to have a good time with my friends. And then the right one will come along. The same thing applies to networking. You have a specific purpose in mind. And you build those relationships with people. And then the right opportunity will come. If you have a job already and you're satisfied, you're getting paid well, you have great benefits, it's okay. Because there's going to be a time where you need someone. And I recommend you doing four things. Continue to pursue your purpose. Continue to grow in your network. Learn new skills, and build on the skills you already have. If you do those 4 things, even if you have a job, another opportunity will fall in your life. Hey people of impact, thank you for watching. I want you to go ahead, comment below, let everyone know what your favorite networking tip is and how it helped you. If you haven't done so, go ahead, subscribe to Purpose Creates Impact, turn on that notification bell, and stay tuned for more Purpose Creates Impact TV videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Stay tuned. Peace.